Today we're showing you how to achieve our signature gilded curl. We're starting out with Oribe Freestyler, which is a light workable hairspray that provides light hold with a workable control. This is great to spray throughout your entire hair to give your hair some texture and hold and give that curl something to hold on to. Once you spray that hairspray throughout the head, you're going to want to section off this back crown portion of your hair. You can do this with a hair scrunchie or a hair clip. Once you have your hair all sectioned off, you're ready to begin. And we recommend starting with these front face framing pieces. And for the curling iron, we recommend the GHD Soft Curl Curling Iron, which is 1.25 inches in size. And for these front pieces, what you're gonna wanna do is first really take your time smoothing out each strand. Andrea does this usually once or twice before beginning. And then as you can see, she is really going horizontal in her curl and then twisting and bringing it down vertically as she goes down the strand of the hair. Andrea's gonna take a hair clip here and place it right there over the bang in order for it to cool in that position. And then she's gonna go ahead again horizontally with that curl, holding it for a minute and then twisting it down vertically and pulling it down the strand of the hair again. And then she's going to clip it again to hold that and have it cool in place. As she continues around these face framing pieces, what she does is she angles the curl forward. What she calls it is over directing. And so you kind of angle that hair as you see she's pulling it forward toward the face, and this kind of creates volume and gives you those face framing pieces. You're also going to want to make sure that you're really smoothing each strand before you curl it. She usually goes over each strand once or twice just to create ample smoothing before the curl. She's going to continue to over direct that curl forward with that other side as well, starting off horizontally and then moving that curl down vertically throughout the hair. For this particular style, Andrea is directing all of the curls away from the face. There have been some other tutorials we've done in the past where we've suggested that you alternate them going away from and then toward the face. But for this look, we recommend just doing them all away from the face. If you do want a more beachy and textured appearance to your hair, that would be a good situation where you can alternate the curls going away from and then toward the face. Then you're going to unsection that original crown section you had that you sectioned off in the beginning, and you're going to take just one last portion at the very top of the crown of the head and keep that sectioned off as you do the back of the head. As you do these side sections of your hair, you really want to continue to over direct that curl forward. This is going to continue to give you a lot of volume and shape at the sides of the head. You're going to want to continue to do that until you hit the round of the head. So just as you work your way through those side sections, over direct it, and then when you move toward the back of the head, you can continue it in the normal direction. So once you get to this final crown section of the hair, you're going to want to take your section, smooth it out, and then angle it upward toward your ceiling. This is going to really give you that shape and that bounce at the top of the head. So instead of over directing forward, you're going to over direct that curl straight up. Once you're finished curling, you have two different choices when it comes to brushing out those curls. We're going to show you both the comb and the brush to show you the difference in style. So we're starting out with this comb on the right side of the head, really brushing it through from root to end. This creates more of a piecey textured look. Next, we're going in with the Glow Beauty brush, which is for sale here at Gilded, and we're going to do this on the left side of the hair so you can really see the difference between the two styles. You're still going to want to work that brush through from root to end, really taking your time brushing it out. You can really see the difference of these two styles, the right being the comb and the left being the brush. For the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and brush through the rest of the hair so that the style looks even, and we can show you how we finish styling it. Next, we're going to be going in with this Oribe Dry Texture Spray, which is an OG cult favorite. First, we're going to focus that at the root of the hair to give it some volume, and then we're going to bring it down to create a more textured appearance. This spray is known for its volume, texture, and light hold while removing any excess oil from the hair. Next, we're going in with this Anti-Humidity Hairspray by Oribe, which is a must if you live in Florida. It finishes the style with a light hold and gives a weightless texture to the hair. Lastly, we're going in with Oribe Matte Waves, which helps to create a matte beachy texture to the hair. You can actually put it in your damp hair or in your dry hair to create kind of that salt spray waves without the dryness. Hope you enjoyed this full-length gilded curl tutorial, and we look forward to bringing you more tutorials in the future. Bye!